Hey, so I'll quickly show you how to configure it. So I basically just made like a .json file so that you can change up all the prompts for the GPT and also the initial message when you like open a file, the first message, or when you open up a specific page, it has like a first message, so you can also change that. Right, so first of all, I'll show you how to do this in Visual Studio Code. So I already showed you in the last video how to get the project up. So just extract it and open with Visual Studio Code. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the front end and you'll see there is a app.json file. Right, so I committed it. If you look at the GitHub repository, you can just clone it or download it, and then you'll see there is not the app.json, I mean a configuration.json. So you can see here is like all the pages and the bot personality. So this is basically the prompt, and then the initial message. So this is just like the initial message. If you open up the page, so then there's also a page screenshot URL. This I just put here for you so that you can open it and then you know exactly which page I'm talking about so that you can change it up really easy, right? So there's the home page, the fitness page, the nutrition page, the goals page, the progress. The progress is basically like if you are on the home page, you'll see there is like a progress button. It's like at the right. And yeah, I missed one thing. There's also a page description for you. So I just wrote like a simple page description so that you know where the page is and what the page does and how to navigate to it, right? So we have the fitness, nutrition, goals, progress, fitness log. So this is where you log your fitness or your exercises. The nutrition log, this is where you log your nutrition, and the goals page. So the goals page, wait, because we just need to remove the trailing comma here so that everything is correct. So now the goals page is like when you go on the goals, when you click on the goals button on the home page, you will open up this goals page, right? This one. And then there will be a button where, like on the top, where you'll see goals, and when you click that it will open up the goals page and then you can add and remove goals and view all your goals. So yeah, this is a configuration object. Just change this, and when you're finished, after you changed it, just like make sure to press Ctrl S, or I'm not sure what you use on Mac. Just save it or right click and then you can, or it auto saves if I'm correct, right? So then what you can do is you can just open up terminal and run the application npm start. Wait, I cannot see you clearly. Wait, the video just cut. So the video just cut it off. So what you'll do is you just need to move to the front end directory, cd front end. I'm already there, and then what you can do is you can just run it by typing npm start. So you just like after you configured it, you can just like follow the instructions from the previous setup video I made, and then everything is supposed to be correct. So yeah, I want to work with you again in the future because this application was very fun to make. It's actually something that I'm quite interested in because I'm also like quite, I also like fitness and like keeping track of my health and stuff. So tell me if you have like any future direction for this application, if you want me to keep developing it. I can like, I think the next step for this application is to implement like way more advanced function calls, right? Things that the user will find super valuable. I think this will be the next step, and then just to like make the application like production ready. Now it's basically an MVP. It's actually a little bit past MVP because the MVP would probably just be like 3 pages or 4. This one is like 10 or something. You can see this. So here is a few 3, here is another 3, and then there is, so this is actually a 12-page application. An MVP application is usually around like 3 to 4 pages. So it's already past the MVP. So just tell me if you have like a future vision for this application and I would like to help out. As I said, I did actually more than expected for this application. You would probably pay someone or another bounty hunter $1,000 at least to basically get the job done as I did. And not to mention I completed it in like 3 days. I'm just helping you setting it up. So there is one thing I want to ask you. I'm basically done with the entire application. I just need to help you with uploading it to the App Store, right? So I'll be totally honest, it looks better on my Replit profile if I complete bounties faster. So I am basically done. The application is completed. I just need to help you set it up. So I would really appreciate it if you can like confirm the submit request I made on Replit, I think yesterday, so that you can like confirm the application and then I'm done with the bounty because I just need to help you set up everything and make the application work on iOS. That will take a few days or so, but just tell me what you think. Also, I really want to keep on working with you. I really want to keep on working with you on this application. So, as I've said like 3 times already, just tell me if you want to keep on developing this application. I think this is something that could actually go big. And yeah, so thanks for following this video and knowing about how to configure the application or the prompts. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Peace.